Welcome. In front of me is an LG G8s, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you should find the battery saver right somewhere here. And all you need to do is simply tap on it. It will bring up the extended mode option. So let's tap on turn on, and this will, as you see, do actually a couple different things. So it will disable vibrations, background activity and data restrictions. This basically turns off things like Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used to save the battery, which gets reconnected automatically when you actually wake up the device. And also always on display will be disabled, and max brightness will be dropped down to 90%. So once you turn it on, all those things will come in effect. Now you also do have a maximum power saving mode, but this one is just like super drastic one. As you can see, it does basically everything that the previous one did and more. So for instance, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be just flat out turned off. Location will be disabled, night mode will be turned on, background will be the same, always on display, the same, brief notifications disabled, brightness or max brightness instead of 90 will be now at 80, and frame rate will be reduced as well. So once you enable this one, you will see the drastic difference in it right here, and also how the display runs. So as you can see, the frame rate is reduced, and it makes the apps kind of look really stuttery, so it doesn't look as fluid as on normal mode. Now once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is basically go back to it, I believe. So let's hold it, and from here select off, and this will bring up the normal mode. So that is how you would enable the two different power saving modes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.